Hello everyone, it's Miss Peacock here, and I am going to be spending today's lesson supporting you on how to answer the 4-mark question based on lighting. So let's get straight to it. So we're just going to read out the question that relates to this extract. You are designing lighting for a performance of this extract. The lighting must reflect the context of Blood Brothers set in a working class Liverpudlian community. Describe your design ideas for the lighting. Now the extract, is pages 8 and 9, but it may be different in your play. And it's the extract where Mrs. Lyons puts new shoes on the table and Mrs. Johnson tells her off for it. Now this is a really important extract because it's the first time we're introduced to one of the play's main themes, which is superstition. I'm now just going to read out an example response of how you might want to answer this 4-mark question based on lighting. In this scene, a pregnant Mrs. Johnston is at Mrs. Lyons' house as she is her cleaner. My intention as a lighting designer for this extract would be to highlight the important theme of superstition. For example, on the line, new shoes on the table, take them off, I would have a special spotlight on a high intensity using a red gel on Mrs. Lyons which would fade into a quick snap. This would create a tense atmosphere. On the line, oh, you mean you're superstitious? I would use a birdie using uplighting to create a shadow on Mrs. Lyons, creating a shadow on the cyclorama to create an ominous atmosphere. This would show the audience the significance of superstition and make them think that something bad might happen. Now the exam board expects you in every 4-mark question to include the key words that link to that design element. So on this slide are the key words that link to lighting design. Your first task is to make sure that you learn the definitions and the key words for the lighting design. You must also be able to use these key words in a sentence. So I'm going to give you some time now to learn these key words. So now you've learnt the key words that link to lighting design, the next 5 slides are all different example practice questions. Remember to use the CIDDH structure and to use the key words that you have learnt. Remember, you should spend 5 minutes on a 4-mark question. So your next task is to complete the next 5 practice questions on the next few slides. Don't forget to read the top tips to help you with your answer.